Presenting the 2012 Kia Sorento. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with an efficient 4-cylinder engine driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes, and memory settings are one of many features. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report.
And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry,
Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player,
a satellite radio.
If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.